So I just want to talk a little bit about a little device called the electroscope. We're going to see these in class. Electroscope. Okay, we've got a few of these we're gonna look at, and what it is, all it is just like an Erlenmeyer flask type thing like this. Okay, and we take some metal and we hang it down into the flask, and we take two really light pieces of this is actually thicker. Okay, we take two light pieces of tin foil or something like they used to use gold, and these pieces of foil naturally hang straight down. So if I were to just like set this up like this, the foil would naturally just hang down like parallel to each other. Okay, and they wouldn't be spread apart like this yet. So what happens is the foil here has positive and negative charges. It's very neutral. The whole thing is very neutral. So these positive and negative charges really aren't doing much. The negative cancels the positive cancels the negative. So with this electroscope, in its natural state, the leaves are hanging down. We call it the leaves. The foil is hanging down like this. Now, if we take a negatively charged rod and we touch this, okay, something interesting happens. Okay, the interesting thing that happens if I bring a charged rod close to this, or if I touch that even, the negative now pulls up the positive charges from down here and brings them up here. Now the leaves, now that they're left with mostly negative charges, okay, they're left with mostly negative charges. These charges are like. They're alike, and we know like charges repel each other. So what happens is when we bring this over, okay, the positive charge is worked up the rod here, and this becomes negative charge, and the thing just opens right up. So these leaves open right up, and we're going to do a little experiment like that. And that's the electroscope for you. It just gives you an idea that, hey, now gravity is not winning with this. So gravity's not pulling these down. Now we have this charge, this repelling charge on these gold leaves.